Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Saily eSIM if it's not working. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the Saily eSIM app. And as you can see here, you might have this error. Your device does not support eSIMs. Well, that's one reason why it's not working. All right, you will have to check it out on the website or Saily eSIM's website if your phone is supported. So go ahead and check it out. So if that's not the case, you don't have this error, let's move forward. Let's go ahead over to our settings right here on our phones, settings, then connections, and then just find the SIM manager. Make sure that Saily is enabled right here. And then once that's done, go ahead and go to mobile data, connect to Saily right here. And after that, go ahead and check if it works. If that still won't work, go ahead and go back and find the mobile network section and find data roaming. All right, you'll be able to see Saily right here as well. So enable Saily for data roaming. And then once that's done, the network bars right here will refresh. If not, you can just toggle on airplane mode, turn it on, wait for about 10 seconds, turn it back off. All right, now once that's done, it should work now. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over and scroll down, go to access point names. And sometimes you need to go ahead and go to Saily right here. For example, this one is Saily. For example, you have a Saily right here. So you can just go ahead and tap on settings and change the APN name to, again, just to Saily. Just like so. And then just tap on OK. And after that, you might need to restart your phone. So go ahead and restart your phone. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix a Saily eSIM if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.